I don't know. Two, $7.50 for adults, and that's $2 off, and then $5.50. Less dollars to pay. And then.
You got a lot of sea right now.
Ian, where'd you go? Oh, that's here.
You know, watch out.
There's nothing at 3, right? I thought there was a 3 o'clock show.
Mama's gonna touch his shoe.